Hey there, my name is Brant and I'm taking your training right now, your PPC training, and I just wanted to send this testimonial your way. I know you haven't asked for it or anything like that, but there's some really good stuff. I'm still making my way through it, but I just wanted to share some feedback for you because it's not my first PPC training. In fact, I've bought some courses on Udemy in the past that talk about AdWords. I've also spent a lot of money on really expensive and extensive AdWords training programs from so-called gurus in the past too. And actually, neither one of those options have worked very well for me. What I found with Udemy is that either it was cheap and not very substantive, or it just was way too comprehensive and I couldn't even get through the stuff. On the other hand, with the guru courses, usually there's the expensive ones. Usually there's something missing, or it's like, oh, by the way, if you really want to learn how to do XYZ, you need to upgrade and pay us more or get coaching. So thankfully, your course doesn't have any of that nonsense. It's right in the middle where it's very detailed, but there's also a great quick start guide. And for the price that you're charging, it's pretty cool because on one hand, as an agency, I can sell AdWords to manage it for $750 a month to $1,000 a month on up, so make my money back very quickly. On the other hand, if I want to run them myself, which in the past I never have, to test something for myself or to just sell leads as like lead gen campaigns, then obviously it works really well because I can learn the nuts and bolts, which I'm doing now. So thanks a lot for putting it together. I just want to send you some feedback, so keep up the great work.